Hello everybody, today we are here at Magic Hair Company, Glueless Lace Wig Store located in Culver City, California. We are your custom premium lace wig store. Let us know if you're looking for a glueless lace wig. We have hundreds of wigs, as you can see behind me. We do prefer that you make an appointment. We're currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. I am Janice, I am the owner, and I am glad to assist you and help you. I'm going to put on my wig that I wear every day. This is the wig that I'm getting ready for an event to wear. So this is let me show you guys this one. So the sheet is 24 inches, silky straight, beautiful silky straight texture. This is our 24-inch silky straight, and she is actually a T-frontal. So if you're looking for quality straight hair, which I'm going to color and put some highlights in, so check back in a couple of weeks and I'll show you that. She's a T-front wig, but you can definitely part her down the middle here. What's the wig number? 521. This is wig number 521. So if you're looking for her online, go to magichaircompany.com, put in our search 521, and we have a couple of these wigs available in store. So let me show you what the T-frontal looks like inside here, a T-front wig. So you see how the lace is just right there, and yes, our knots are pre-bleached on all of our wigs, so that is standard for all wigs from Magic Hair Company. Also the less dense hairline, hopefully you guys can see this, but that gives you a really natural hairline. Let me put this on really quick so I can get to the video. So if you're looking for a 24-inch silky straight, hopefully you guys can see this. And you see I can definitely still run my fingers through this hair. She is going to be fabulous, and we're gonna add some color to her. So yeah, that's this wig here. And in this video, I'm going to trim the bangs in some of these bang wigs that you see here. So right here we have a 16-inch silky straight jet black. So if you like jet black, this is a good option for you. The wig I have on is natural black. So this is natural 1B black here, and this is jet black. So you can slightly see the difference in colors. Natural 1B, jet black. And our jet black does not bleed. So if you want to have jet black hair and it's raining and you want to wear white outside, shop with Magic Hair Company because you won't have color stains. Again, natural black, jet black. Hopefully, it looks like this color difference is picking up on the camera here. But I'm going to trim the bangs in this one. Then we have this. If you want this wig, the 16-inch silky straight jet black, this is wig number 794. Our website, Magic Hair Company, is having our 15% off sale for Columbus Day, so check us out there. My next wig will be wig number 575, available online, and trimming the bangs on her as well. And this body wave beauty right here is wig number 211. So all of these wigs are available on our website. Let me know below if you guys have any questions. We do style all of our wigs here, so if you want us to cut bangs or layers or trim any of your Magic Hair Company wigs for you, that is included with the purchase. Got it. You know, I always forget when I'm filming to adjust this first and lower it.
Well, it's always hard.
But I'll leave it since I'm doing bangs. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store. If you are new to wearing wigs, or if you've been wearing wigs for years, come shop with us. You'll definitely see the difference in the quality of wigs, how natural our wigs look, our customer service. We are here at Magic Hair Company to make your wig shopping experience Very comfortable, very pleasurable, and most importantly, we want you to get a beautiful, great quality, natural looking glueless wig. And this lace here, we do just cut this off. So this is just here because we're in store right now, but we just cut this off. And then the wig's glueless like my blonde one. So actually after I finish this one here, I'll probably switch and put my blonde everyday wig on. So when our wigs come to us, sometimes the bangs are a little bit longer than we would like. We keep them that way for a while, or just wait until a customer buys the wig and asks us to cut the wigs for them. And then we will definitely cut those bangs for you and style as needed. So again, she's 16 inches and jet black, wig number 794. A lot of our clients that shop with us are suffering from hair loss issues, whether that's from alopecia or from the tension of wearing wigs for years. Wigs, extensions, braids, any of those things can cause you to lose your hair over time. We are all about healthy hair here at Magic Hair Company. We want your hair to grow. We don't want you to have any extra tension. And most importantly, we want you to be happy. Happy, healthy hair. Our wigs are glueless, so they don't require glue. But you can, of course, glue or sew down your wig if you would like. We are having a huge Black Friday sale. So for those of you that have been waiting for us to have a good sale, our Black Friday sale, everything in store will be 30 to 50% off, one day only. Yeah, and for my vacation hair next week, I will do like some curly, deep body wave hair. It's always fun to play with color. Sometimes we get clients who've been wearing wigs for years and they're insistent on wearing jet black hair or hair in the natural color, but why? Play with color, have fun. Like this is a great red. We can do highlights, we can do red highlights. We are your custom wig coloring specialists here at Magic Hair Company. So there's no reason to have boring hair, or like when you buy wigs from the beauty supply and they're like a solid red, a solid orange, a solid ombre. No, let us custom do that color for you so your color comes out nice and amazing. For instance, like this red, you see how there's different hues and different colors of red here? That's because we do quality in-store coloring. And it's a perfect time to do color all year long, but especially in the fall. So we do have some fall color suggestions. I'm thinking like, what are good fall colors?
Those first two right here.
These two right here. These two?
Yeah.
Okay, and we would describe this one here. This is wig number 692. And as you see, we put some curls in it. What's this color?
Copper.
This is copper, and we just added some curls in there. And this is wig number 747, and this is like a beautiful ombre. How would we describe this ombre?
It's a medium brown on the top and then a honey brown on the bottom.
So medium brown on the top and honey brown on the bottom. And both of these wigs are silky straight texture, and we just added curls in them. So you see the different curls. You can add curls, you can style your wigs, but reds, coppers, auburns, ombres, they're all great fall color suggestions. We have a in-house custom color specialist. She's the best that ever was. So come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, where we not only have the best quality wigs, but we have an in-store custom colorist. And I think these bangs are a good length. I don't want to cut them too short, because one thing about cutting hair is you never want to go too short, and you just want to do it just perfect enough. That way, if we have a client who's like, no, I want the bangs shorter, we can always go shorter. So I always go just enough so that they're styled, but I can always gladly go in there and cut those bangs just a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna have you turn this off for me. Okay, so this is wig number 794. Let me try her on for you guys really quick. I'm taking off this beautiful wig right here. The wig number, I said it earlier, this is a 24-inch silky straight available online. That's what I'm taking off here. This will be my hair for one of our parties coming up. And the wig I'm putting on is wig number 794, a 16-inch silky straight jet black wig. Ooh, she's cute. So if you're looking for a 16-inch jet black hair, jet black wig, here you go. Shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, your custom glueless lace wig store. You can find all of our wigs online, or come shop with us here in store. We're located in Culver City, California. Thank you for watching, everybody. Check us out online. Like, comment, subscribe, and share our video. We are Magic Hair Company, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you guys soon. Bye.